Taking any two rods, iron rods and wire, piece wire, and rods will be bend it. Bend this each rod and this type. One side is fixed with rod and another side is empty, and another rod same time and fixed. Okay, and same two heaters and two buckets one time heating same time, and this put in the doing this work. Water will be heated. And seen after 10 minutes.
See the water heating. Bubbles are there. See the water heating and bubbles are there. Please subscribe my channel. More interesting videos.
How to check water heated or not in this process? And same, don't touch the iron rods and put in the water in hand. So this process is heated. So after switch off and taking and go to washer. After disconnect the wires and taking and going to washroom, bathing.
After 5 minutes, see the results in their process. Sound will be available there. This is the second time rods and this is the first time rods. So second time will be pure water is the same time same. First time is konjam color is small changes. So water will be heated with full. You can see the results. This water minimum 2 members will be bathing. Minimum 3 members. So thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel more interesting videos. Thank you friends. End this video. Mm. First time rods, so crowd changing small, and after second time in this basket, change it to this water. So please subscribe my channel. Good robber. Complete.
Ani baru satu ah.
చాలే స్నానం చేస్తావు నువ్వు సినా స్నానం చేస్తా కావలం రా అన్నట్టు సో థ్యాంక్ యూ బాయ్ బాయ్
ఇచ్చే చెప్తారు